The Graphene Flagship fosters international collaboration through its workshops. So today we have workshops with the US, with Australia, Japan, Korea, as well as China. By having a workshop, it's much more intimate. It allows our researchers to interact much more closely and also visit the key facilities in our collaborating country, right? And this then leads to a much more closer interaction to work on topics together. And finally, it allows us to succeed in real cross-border topics such as health and safety, as well as certification.